Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I've seen a lot of videos showing folks using this new tool from My Sweet Petunia. And yeah, I've had issues where squeezing the bottle, having to do with clogged nozzle, the whole bit. And I thought, you know, I'm going to go ahead and give this a try and see if it is as good as a lot of folks are saying. I have also seen a couple of folks saying that it still clogs and things like that too. And so I'm going to be basically testing it out and see if it's going to work for me. That's really the best way to know if something is the way you want it, because, you know, you kind of have to try it out and see if it works for you. There's a lot of tools and products out on the market. So find the best tool that is going to work for you. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, so already I see that this has come off of the top. That's okay. It's basically a big sticky dot underneath it. I've got some replacements in my stash. Us as crafters, we all do, right? Or I can use some hot glue to adhere that down, and I'm sure it just shifted off during shipping. And I've had that happen on different, you know, bottles that have got a decorative piece. So here's our little gun, and here's the little stand. And the way I understand it, I have not, like I said, I haven't tried this at all yet. Let me get a piece of cardstock. Here's a scrap. So I'm just going to try it out. There's two bottles. This one is a refillable bottle. And I'm just looking to see if it says what kind of nozzle it is. Because from the way I understand it, one of these is a fine tip and one is not. And let me take off just the top. Okay, and it is cool. Now, I've heard people talk about this, but I haven't actually seen it up close. So you can see there is this metal piece on the inside, and that is actually going to go inside your tip here to help keep it from clogging. So that is cool. And this piece here is supposed to be for you to just place your top on there so you don't lose it. Because yeah, I've lost lids before. Anyway, so there's that one. And this one, it looks like it's got a decent size. So this one I think is probably the larger one. And this one I think is probably the fine tip. Yes, and you can see that is really, really tiny. And yes, the lid has that metal rod inside there that is going to go, I believe it goes right inside the tip. So your pin is actually inside the lid. So that is kind of cool. Perfect. And then it rests in the stand. So I think that's kind of cool. So I will need to make sure I've got a home for it on my desk. And here I go trying to put it on without sliding the tip in. Yeah. Okay. You have to put, in order to put the lid on, you have to put the pin that's inside the lid into that piece. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and try this. And like I said, this has not been used yet. I just took it out of the box. Oh, that is nice. The glue goes down real nice and smooth, and it is a decent size bit there. Sometimes when I get, I love my different glues. I'm using Barely Art is the one I've been using. Most recently, I've got Art Glitter Glue that I've used for years and absolutely love it, but the tips always got clogged, and I'm hoping that this is going to help that issue, because when it's clogged, you cannot get a line like that. So I will keep you guys posted. I think I'm undecided as if whether or not I'm going to release this video before or after I've had time to test this guy out for a bit, but we shall see.